I totally forgot about the Flat 6 Custom from Honda. It only has 22,200 miles and it runs like a sewing machine. This one is carbureted, and not only does it have a carburetor, it has 6 carburetors. So that's right, 1 carburetor per cylinder. It's one of the smoothest handling bikes on the road, right up there with the Goldwing. There are no electronics on this bike. After the spark plugs on the electronic starter, there's no ABS, there's no traction control, there's no fuel injection, and this bike weighs over 800 pounds, so it's really up to you. You have to manhandle this dragon, as they call it, and it is very maneuverable, but yes, it is very heavy. The Goldwing had the gas tank under the seat, which kept the weight extra low with the engine. Engine's low, gas tank's low. On this bike, the engine is low, but gas tank now is above the engine. So that kind of creates a little bit more weight on the top end of the bike, but it doesn't affect the low speed maneuvering, which I find amazing. I think Honda did an excellent job in the research and development of the frame and the rake and the trail of this bike and the handlebars to just make it work perfectly. So we're gonna get on this bike right now. We're gonna ride out of here. Kind of sounds like the Goldwing, but the cams are different, the timing or something. It has way more power than the Wing. It's probably because it's a lot lighter than the Wing. It's kind of beautiful. I've never been through here before, so it's actually quite interesting. Used to come here as a kid a lot, but I'd always get driven. Oh, you're gonna park? That's cute. No, you're not. Oh, the bike fucked you up. Oh, yeah. Oh man, that was a great ride on the highway. Just nice short one, just to see what the bike can do. I already knew what this bike could do. I owned a Goldwing for a year, but this is no Goldwing, that is for damn sure.